Hello, Mr. Regan here from the Wolverhampton Music Service. I hope you're well. Today's video is designed to support drummers on the drum solo section of the technical focus track Riff, Raff that is featured in the grade 5 rock and pop exam. Okay, so quick disclaimer. In this video, I will not be teaching you drum fills to use in your solo. Instead, I will be giving you little hints about how to solo around a vamp. Okay, so from bar 96, we have 6 bars where we can have a drum solo. These solos must incorporate these 8th note pushes. So let's first find out where these 8th note pushes actually are. Okay, so these pushes land on the and after 3 and the and after 4. That would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now that was a lot slower than the tempo of the song. The song is actually at 182 beats per minute. So let's try clapping the pushes at 182 BPM. I'll count us in. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, so you'll notice that the pushes aren't every bar, they're every other bar. Okay, so now we have figured out where these pushes are, let's try it on the kit. Now, the way that I would approach playing a solo around these kind of pushes is I'd put a metronome on and then I would just play where the pushes or the stabs are. I would just keep doing that to get as comfortable as I can with that particular phrase. Okay, now it clearly states that the solo should not be too busy. So you don't want to overplay, you don't want to try and stick a million notes in to these little bars. Play stylistically and play for the song. Once you're comfortable, see if you can play a drum fill and then catch that push. Okay, so when you start to feel comfortable with these drum fills that you've been practicing, try to put them into some sort of order so you know exactly which fill you're going to go into next. Okay, so when you feel comfortable with your fills and the pushes and combining the two together, try raising the tempo up to 182 BPM, which is exactly the tempo of the song. Okay, so hopefully those little tips and hints have really helped with the solo section of the song. I know that it can be quite daunting to think, oh, we've got these pushes here and I've got a solo around them, what shall I do? So I wanted to shed a little bit of light onto that, and hopefully this video has done just that. Thank you for tuning in. Come back again to see videos that we will be uploading to support you at home. Take care.